All right, can all of you hear me now?
Yes, Rakesh.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
All right, so let's come to the beginning of the presentation. Uh, the course that we are offering, or what is offered by FCK's technology, is practical application of advanced Excel. I'll be your trainer. My name is Rakesh. I have been associated with FCKs for more than 6 years now, and I have trained almost 1500 or more than 1500 students in last 6 years. I train people on advanced Excel, VBA, Salesforce, RPA, uh, Power BI, and some of those things. I have total 13 years of experience, and currently I'm manager for a data science team. So that's a little bit intro about me. Let's deep dive in this course, right? Um, Again, just to let you know that session is recorded. I'm going to start with helping you understand what is Excel, right? We all use Excel and we know what it is, but there are some of few things that you'll learn here as well. So what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. It is part of Office Application Suite. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and macros. It is most used Office application across globe. Like there are other Office applications also, like you have Word, PowerPoint, and all those things. Excel is one of the most used Office application. Um, as it is developed and designed by Microsoft, you'll find it in all the OS that are using Microsoft, and because it is easier and compatible to use with them. It's though it supports Windows, there is a version available for Mac, Android, and iOS also. It is scalable to all industries type and business sizes. So for example, if you are in finance industry, or you are in manufacturing industry, or you are in data science industry, or IT industry, wherever you are, you'll find Excel being used quite heavily. No matter how big or small your business is, you'll still be using Excel. There is no exception, right? So Excel is most widely used tool across the globe, across all functions, job roles, industry, and business sizes. Now, one of the question you might be asking, that why should you learn Excel, right? And as you are here, I'm sure you have some idea why you want to learn it, but little bit more of why people usually join Excel. One, it helps them jumpstart their career. Uh, it is used by every person in any industry or organization, be it a student who is starting as his internship or a CEO of company. Everybody uses Excel, so it helps you jumpstart your career. It is used for variety of function. So if you're working in a small data entry team, like a marketing team that does data entry, you'll be using Excel to do that. Or if you're a data scientist, you'll still be using Excel for some calculation, like statistic calculation, like chi-square analysis or k-cluster means and those things. So everybody who uses data have to use Excel in some or other way. It is easy to learn. It has a wide application, as I said, from data entry to data science and to any kind of industry. So for example, it could be from marketing to finance or anything. It helps you reduce the time that you take to perform any work. You can do it faster. It increases your accuracy. You're more accurate with your data. It saves time and money. You progress in your career as your Excel knowledge grows. You do better things and get better rewards and better progress in your career. You become a more employable once you start or increasing your knowledge in Excel. So that is all about why you should learn Excel. Now, one more important point, why you should learn now, why not after 2 years or 3 years? Well, you should learn now because it is a must have skill in any industry or any department, as I explained earlier. It has an increasing demand for data analytics and data analysts and data scientists. That demand is going up and up. And this year, we'll see at least 50,000 new people getting into role of a data analyst or data scientist. You may face a risk of lagging behind if you don't learn now. You'll see your peers growing up if they are good with Excel, and you might feel you're lagging behind with while you don't have these skills. It will help you take step towards your dream job. No matter whatever dream job you're trying to get, it is always good and helpful to learn Excel. I'll tell you why. For example, let's say I'll not take a data science and data analyst example. Let me take an example of human resource, right? Nothing to do with data science, nothing to do with data analyst. If you are a human resource recruiter and working on a starting position, and if you have to or want to grow ahead, how will you do that? First thing you need to do, you need to present what you have done. To present that, you need to have data. How many positions you have closed, how many requirement you have handled, how many resumes you have sold, how many interviews you have scheduled, how many interviews took yourself, what kind of recruitment source you have used. All that thing you can only do in Excel. All those analytics and reporting you will have to do and present, and then you will grow into your career. You cannot grow until you are not able to show what you have done, right? If you can't show what you have done, you cannot grow. And Excel is one of the best tool to start analyzing and showing what you're doing in your job. And that's how you take step towards your dream jobs. All right. Why learn at FCKS? So what are FCKS advantages compared to other training institutes out there? There are many, honestly. So let's learn about it. FCKS stands for Achieving Freedom and Creativity uh, by Knowledge Sharing. So, we believe in sharing knowledge to help you achieve freedom in your work and be independent, grow in your career, and that is our motto. Helping to learn and not instructing to complete the course. We help you learn things. We are not here to just to instruct that go from A to B. We help you understand why you should go from A to B, why you should do what you're doing, and that is our teaching method. We value your dreams and goals. So whatever your dreams or goals, we like to hear from you, and we try to guide you towards your dreams and goals. Continuing a little bit more on this, Uh, our trainers, including myself, are industry expert and we have practical experience in the field. As I said, I am currently leading a team of 15 as a data scientist manager. Uh, we use the most simplified method to help you understand and learn. We realize that not everybody is coming from a same kind of domain or education background. You could be coming from a engineer of information technology or computers, or you could be an arts graduate. I myself is a commerce graduate, and that should not stop you from being what you want to. So we use the most simplified methods to help you understand and learn. Our courses are designed for all, are not limited to IT science and engineering. As I said, these are designed for everyone. But that doesn't mean that it's not for IT science engineering. They are also for everyone. We have a couple of advantages like job forum, query solving group, and lifetime support. So once you complete the course, we don't left you in lurch, right? That hey, your course is completed. Now goodbye, Tata. We don't know you. We don't do that. We have job forums where our alumni keep posting lot of job. As I said, I myself has trained more than 1500 students. The institute is there from last 10 years. I guarantee you there are like more than 10,000 students out there who have learned from FCKS. There are job forums where these people are added. They post job from their companies. There is query solving group where after till the time your class is on, I'll help you with all your queries. Once your class is over, there is a query solving group where you can ask multiple types of queries. And it's not limited to Excel. We have query solving group for VBA, Power BI, data science, robotic process automation, and whatnot. So there are a lot of groups around there where you solve these queries. The, there are two people who can solve your queries. One, there will be student, our own student, who will be helping you out. Second, we are there to help you out. You'll be able to find a lot of query solving recordings on our YouTube channel as well. Uh, there is a lifetime support. So, for example, you do advanced Excel batch today. The syllabus changes every time. the new version is added or the new ideas that we get from industry. So there is always new example that are included in our training. Now, once you complete it, doesn't mean that you'll get new example. You receive the example through lifetime. You receive them over email. All the examples that are covered in the future batches will be sent out to you over email. Some more here. Uh, our curriculum or what we teach is based on the research that we have done from multiple industries and portfolios. So we are not limited to only one industry of IT. We have done it in manufacturing, HR, law firm, finance, of course, and IT. All of those industries we have done our research, and based on that, our examples are. Our examples are practical application based, which means you can basically lift and shift it to your work with small changes, right? So you can learn something here and start using in your office from tomorrow. These are interactive sessions designed for working professional with busy and hectic schedule. So what you learn here, you don't have to spend a lot of time on doing practice at home or spending time trying it, because what we do is we'll walk you through one example and you'll try to complete it here itself in the class. So you don't have to do practice at home. You learn everything right here itself. A little bit about course content. What will you learn? Okay, you learn lookups. Everybody want to learn lookups. So yes, these are one of the few things you learn. References, pivots, data summaries, subtotals, charts, dynamic formulas, date and time concept, timelines, slicers, automated reports, groups, best practices, visualization, dynamic charts, dashboards, timesheets, logic, formatting, number concept, form controls, and out of box tools. So, all these things are available for you to learn in this syllabus, spanning over more than 200 different examples, which are practically based that you can directly use or implement in your office. I'll take a small break here, guys, for 10 seconds. Anybody have any questions? Please feel free to ask. No questions? All right, let's go ahead. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to interrupt and ask. All right. And of course, one important thing, we'll also be learning some macros. That is automation using Excel macros. Some of the next step for all of you who want to join and go ahead in your future career. So you have to first complete the registration. The fees is 8,000 rupees. If you pay at a single time, you get a 10% uh, discount. It's not a cashback, it's direct discount. So you only pay 7,200. If paid in installment, you have to pay 4,000 rupees of installments each month. That is next 2 months. There are payment methods that I have included in here. Uh, After you register, you need to attend the class every Sunday 9 p.m. to 1 p.m. So class is only once in a week, so it's not going to be hectic on your schedule. However, spam is of 4 months. So 4 months you need to be in class every Sunday 9 p.m. to 1 p.m. There will be a break of 30 minutes during the session, so you'll not feel overwhelmed. Learn more than 200 practical example and ask question and keep it interactive. So it is very important that you ask any question. Keep it interactive that so we know that you are learning and able to understand. There will be a free of cost exam which will give you a, a certification from FCKS. This is a certificate of excellence and not completion, right? Completion means that you just complete the things and you get certification. No, this is where you give exam and earn the certification. You can also join our query support and job forum groups, as I explained. Learn through new example from other batches. As I said, you get a lifetime support on the new examples. You can reach out to us and we can help you with any guidance you need for next level of learning path or uh, in your career, we'll be able to help you and guide. How do you get successful? Get certified, and also you'll receive a complimentary certification of completion for which you don't have to give examination. So in total, you receive two certification that you can share on your LinkedIn as well. Implement what you start, what you have learned. So unless you start implementing what you have learned, you'll not be able to see the impact of actual things that you're doing. We have many students who come to us and say that we started implementing what we have learned here, and we were able to get promotions, we were able to get awards, and or maybe change job and get into new things. So it is very important that you implement. Apply for your dream job from our uh, job forums, and if you want any help, for any kind of support you need while you are applying those jobs, we'll be happy to help you. Keep learning. There are many things that you learn. There are many things you do in your life, and we know that you have a lot of dreams. So keep learning because you still have the dreams. Any questions, guys? So far, this is the end of the this presentation. Any questions?
No.
All right. Okay. Let's see some of the examples. So I've just selected one example that I'm going to show you, which is dashboard, because I know everybody's in goal to do some dashboard, some amazing visualization to help people understand what you're trying to present. So let me just go to one of the dashboard that I have for you. So this is one of the dashboard that we have designed. Now this is first page. Uh, there are some things that we included here. For example, this will help you refresh the data. You can go to the dashboard and it selects that what part you're highlighting in a specific color. You can go for a detailed dashboard as well. Hi Asif.
Hello, sir.
All right. So this dashboard is again interactive. You can select the years and you'll be able to see the difference between data. So this is a simple dashboard, doesn't uses any VBA coding so far. There's one more that I'd like to show you, which is this. This is called a single color dashboard where you use a single theme for designing everything. This is again not a static dashboard. You again have filters here to go through data and things like filtering and coming to a single thing, right? So all of those things are here. So this is some of your cap stone project that you'll learn. There are more than 200 examples where you learn everything from a simple VLOOKUP to the macros. And when I say macros, I mean macros recording, right? We don't go into VBA programming in this course, but you learn the micro recordings. Any questions? Anyone? I'm going to stop recording.